sa sarili
Yeah, and
nila.
wag mahihiyang magtanong, 'di ba? Always,
Yes.
always ask questions.
Yeah.
Kasi marami kasi sa atin na especially tayong mga Pilipino minsan mahiyain tayo, eh.
Oo,
Or like
mahiyain kasi
yeah,
'pag parang magmumukha kang walang alam, ganyan.
yeah,
Okey
which
lang
is normal.
yun. Yes,
Yeah,
it's normal.
it's normal.
Hanggang
It's
masanay ka, 'di
hanggang sa
ba?
masanay ka na.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lagi ko nga sinasabi, it's not always when you're asking question doesn't mean that you know nothing. You
Yes.
just wanted to learn more to what you
Totoo.
know right now, 'di
Yeah.
ba?
And mas
So,
gusto ko yung mga ganong
mas
tao, yung
maganda
laging
talaga yung ganun.
nagtatanong.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hindi yung
And
nag-a-assume na lang.
yeah, kaysa naman nagmamagaling ka. Pag
Oo.
nagmamagaling ka, that will stop your yung information mo na makukuha mo sa tao
Mm.
or yung experience na pwede mo ma-experience if you stop asking the questions, 'di ba?
Mm.
So, ganun 'yun.
Bakit sa tingin mo you have to question yourself, why is it happening to me? Why is it like that? And bakit kailangan mong solusyonan lahat sa
Yeah,
tingin mo?
so I answered that a while ago. So
Mhm.
meaning like hindi naman dahil sa nahihiya ka sa sarili mo or naawa ka sa sarili mo, that's why you wanted to ask questions, 'di ba?
Mhm.
You wanna ask questions para marami kang matutunan at saka may apply mo sa sarili mo, 'di ba? It's
Totoo.
like playing games, pag naglalaro ka ng games, 'di ba? Every level may mga bagong mga ah, may mga bagong
Task.
task na kailangan
Yeah.
mong gawin in order for you to, to grow your character, 'di ba? Yung
Yeah.
para nagle-level up ka. I
Yeah.
don't know if you guys have played some games before, but when you're playing games, it's about starting level 1, 'di ba?
Until
Yung
lumakas
pang
ka.
wala kang kalam-alam until lalakas ka ng lalakas, ganun
Oh.
yun.
Or even like you, sorry to cut you, babe, ha? Or
Yeah.
even using your phone, 'di ba? At first talaga hindi mo alam, mag-a-unbox ka pa lang, o paano na yung button niya, saan
Yeah.
dito yung ano niya, until you
Until
figure it
years
out,
goes by, yeah.
and then kahit nakapikit ka na, alam mo na kung paano i-on,
Exactly.
'di
So it's
ba?
the
So
same
ganun
thing
lang
with
'yun.
experience, yeah. And then
Yeah.
when it comes back to, let's come back to yung survival mode nga, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Get as much information as you can to that country, especially if you're OFW.
Yeah.
Get as much as information as you can and also yun sa workplace mo, 'di ba?
Oh, totoo,
Yeah.
'no?
Para ma-prepare mo
Mas
sa
maging
sarili mo.
knowledgeable ka, 'no?
Yeah,
Kung
especially lahat,
mag-adapt,
lahat.
adapt.
Yeah.
That's,
Correct, yeah.
yeah, adapt, yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, para sa akin lang yun yung take ko dun.
Yes,
Yeah.
always adapt and adjust. Like, you know what I mean? Always learn,
Yeah,
especially when you're in a new environment or a new situation that you're in.
that's true.
Yeah. 'Di ba?
Yeah. Next
Okay.
question.
Next question.